Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize a store on Shopify for vintage and collectibles, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip this if you want. I'm gonna skip all this and let's continue. Now you're gonna choose an account. After this, you're gonna wait in a few seconds for creating your store and building your store or creating your account. So that's it. If you wait a few minutes or a few seconds, the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So here you can choose your themes, select any theme, click add and wait to install the theme. After this you can publish it and customize it. So for me I'm gonna just skip this. I'm gonna just keep this theme. So for example, let's click here and it will take you to your homepage store. So now this is the settings where you can design your site. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me I'm gonna just keep it like this, like desktop style. This is the settings where you can design your site if you want. So first here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme, you can show separate line. Here you can show icons on desktop. Here you can auto change announcements. You can enable country and region selector. Also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, the announcements. Here you can change the text. Also you can pass a link or search for something, for collections or whatever you want to search on it. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. Also you can change the sticky header. You can show separator line. Also you can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. You can edit here the mobile logo position. You can change the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. If you want, I did the same setting. So click here and here you can enable search suggestions. Here you can edit the card type. If you want to add your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. So here you have to select your logo from your library or from free image. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. Vintage and collectibles logo idea like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is your logo right now. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can change it at any time. Here you can edit the vertical offset. Also you can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image banner. Here you have two images. For example, you can select the first image from the browser and the second image you can select it from your library or from free image or from wherever you want. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So the second image you can select it from your library. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Here you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. Also you can change the desktop content alignment. Here you can change the color scheme and you can edit the animation here, the image behavior. You can turn this on, stack image on mobile or show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading of of the image banner. So here you can generate the text from here. So for example, you can describe here whatever you want. You can describe more. This is just an example. Vintage and collectibles, like this. So here you can change the heading size. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. Also you can change the first button link. You can use outline button size if you want, and you can also if you already add the second image, you can here add the second button label, and you can add the second button link, and also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the feature collection. So here you can generate the heading, you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Vintage and collectibles. Of course you can describe more. So that's it. You're gonna choose one of these suggestions. Here you can edit the heading size. The description also, you can just describe what the text is about. You can change the form of the text here. Also you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Also you can change the collection or create your own collection. You can make product forwards. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. You can edit the product card, the image ratio and the image shape. Here you can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show product rating. Also you can enable quick add button. Here you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here. So that's it. Now let's move to the last section on the website, for the future section. You can change the color scheme here. Also you can show email sign up. You can generate the heading here. You can enable follow on shop. Also you can show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing websites, all you have to do now is save this, and let's get back to the dashboard. So the dashboard, here you can name your store. For example, after you add your first products and add your custom domain, let's go to the store settings. So here you can name your store, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone. You can change your store email or add your store email. So that's it. Now after you're done from this designing website and customize it, after you name your store, all you have to do now is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your store and publish it for vintage and collectibles business on Shopify. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.